How to get rid of spiders in your home. The majority of spider species are safe to humans, but most people still don't want to share their home with these 8-legged creatures. Here are the top 10 all-natural spider repellents to keep arachnids away from your home. 1. Peppermint oil. Strong fragrances such as peppermint work well as spider repellents. Simply combine 15 to 20 drops of the essential oil in a spray bottle of water and spritz about the home. Tea tree, lavender, and rose are other great choices that can be added to your spray bottle. Changing the fragrance of the oil you use on a regular basis guarantees that this tip will remain effective. 2. Cinnamon. Spiders strongly dislike the scent of cinnamon. Cinnamon in the form of dried sticks, cinnamon oil, or cinnamon-scented candles will all work in deterring spiders. 3. Vinegar. Vinegar can be used in a similar fashion as the essential oils. To keep spiders away, mix half white vinegar and half water in a spray bottle and spray in corners, gaps, and crevices. 4. Check your fruit bowl. Fruit flies are a tasty diet for spiders, so keep an eye on your fruit bowl for any rotten fruit that can attract them. 5. Protect your home's exterior. Move anything that spiders may hide in away from any outside walls to prevent them from getting into your home in the first place. Leaves, grass clippings, vegetation, compost, or wood piles are all perfect examples of spider hiding places. Check for any crevices that spiders may crawl through in doorways and window sills, then caulk them. Replace any damaged window screens and use fine mesh to cover vents and chimneys. 6. Plant a eucalyptus tree. The strong medicinal aroma of eucalyptus will deter spiders as well as being minimal maintenance and smelling lovely. If you don't have space for a eucalyptus tree, grow mint beneath or near windows instead, since the pungent scent will deter spiders as well. 7. Citrus. Citrus peel should be rubbed around skirting boards, window sills, and bookshelves since spiders are reputed to dislike all citrus aromas. Use citronella candles both inside and outside your house, and use lemon-scented cleansers and furniture polish. 8. Turn off your lights. Although light does not attract spiders, it does attract the insects that spiders eat, therefore, turn off the outdoor lights to keep spiders away from your home. Use opaque blinds and drapes to keep interior lights from shining through to the outside. Use yellow sodium vapor lights if you must keep the lights on since they are less prone to attract insects. 9. Cedar. Cedar is another aroma that spiders are known to dislike. Although bringing a cedar plant inside your house isn't realistic, you can use cedar blocks, cedar coat hangers, or cedar chips instead. Sand them down now and again to renew the scent. The woody scent is also supposed to deter clothing moths. 10. Garlic. Garlic is another fragrance that spiders truly dislike. Fill a spray bottle halfway with water and add whole or crushed cloves, then spray the corners, floors, and skirting boards of any room to discourage spiders. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.